Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you our slime business we're going to have at a garage sale. And all our slime supplies. Let's get stop. Let's get into this. Okay. So here's our trifold right there. Joelle, turn it around. So it says slime selling fluffy slime and normal slime for only $2. And here you can just like touch the slime. Here we said we used glue, Tide, shaving cream, and food coloring. We are making fluffy slime, which is right there. Fun stress reliever, and our slogan is "It's so much fun, hey, because it's slime, eh?" So yeah, that's our trifold for our business.
And we got
It's going to be the greatest love stories. It's town hazy. So now I'm going to show you all of our slime ingredients. So we keep our slime ingredients in this bin. Yeah, she's playing with slime. But anyways, so now let's get started. First we have food coloring. My dad just got this for us. Oh shoot, the cap fell off. Oh no. Don't you hate? No. But don't you hate when that happens? So we have yellow.
one time I caught Tylet
Leaked. So this blue. Oops. I don't want any of these to leak. I'll get in big trouble. Red and green. So those are our coloring. We used to use paint, but now. Oh yeah, the lotion is one of these. So that's that. Next we have this Tide is halfway used, which is our activator. Then we have 2 full things of Tide that has never been used. We got this one today. Ooh, embrace the magical Tide.
got it because it hasn't.
So today we got 4 bottles of glue. So I've seen like Karina Garcia do this with 4 bottles of glue, like these kind of glue and Tide. So we're gonna be using these glues. We got 2 came in a pack, so we got 2 packs of them. So yeah. And then we have.
I didn't put the food coloring in.
I did. 3 bottles of Elmer's.
One of them are halfway.
Yeah, one of them's halfway. So
I only like making slime. I don't like this slime that we bought.
all of our store-bought slimes are in a container.
We don't really like them. We do like them, but not.
It goes on the bottom shelf. Okay, next. I'm so excited to show this. That's why I saved it for last.
No, you forgot the containers.
It's fine. Well, this one's fine. With shaving cream, you have to take off the cap to like spray out. We got this kind because we thought it would work the most.
We were gonna get 2, but we aren't making that much fluffy slime.
So that's, and last we have, we're not gonna use these because they're way too big. We're gonna be using, well, we're not using these. These are just 2 containers.
I'm gonna test this.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's fluffy. It smells good. I just rub it in my hands. It smells minty, like kind of berry. Yeah, because
Boys shave it.
Yeah, girls do shave.
Yeah, but they probably don't use this kind.
They don't.
So well, this is for shaving beards.
Yeah, I guess. It's just shaving cream.
These are other food coloring.
No, don't take them out, Joe.
I just want to see them all. Okay.
Joe, put them back where they were.
Okay.
We might test the fluffy slime tonight, make sure it works.
Wait, really?
Yeah, Mom said we might. So these are all of our slime supplies. We don't have any glitter, which I wish we did. Yeah, those are all my slime supplies. My favorite slime supplies, I know this is like weird, but I really like the shaving cream, the magical Tide, and probably the glue. Like, you could make a simple fluffy slime with these things and this. Well, this is not even really necessary. So yeah, that's our slime supplies and our like slime business kind of thing. Whoa, sorry guys. I'm really sorry. I'm horrible. Of course they're blending while I'm doing a video. That's amazing. So yeah. That's all of my slime supplies. We are probably gonna make a test to make a slime tonight. Because I need to test to make sure like we didn't just like advertise the fluffy slime and not really like it doesn't really work, but I think it will work. And don't if you comment it doesn't work, we will probably just delete your comment because you know we want to test it for ourselves. Like you could be using different glue than we are, so. Yeah, we're probably going to test the slime with the Dollar Tree glue. Make sure it works. Shaving cream. We got the Barbasol shaving cream. Is there anything I could use for slime in here? No. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please click that like button and subscribe. You'll become part of the J Squad. Love you guys. Bye.